Okay, welcome to our chemistry. So far, we are studying fundamentals in chemistry. So, in fundamentals in chemistry topic, we have studied stable cations, stable anions. That means cations are of three types. Already we have written plus one monocharged cations, plus two dicharged cations, plus three tricharged cations. The same way we studied minus one anions, minus two, minus three anions also. We have that list in our running notes. We have that list. Okay. Based on the knowledge of these ions, based on the knowledge of cations and anions, we can easily write chemical formulas by using crisscross method. By today, we are going to do that exercise. Okay, we will do this exercise. Writing, writing of chemical formula, chemical formulas, chemical formula by using crisscross method. Crisscross method. Crisscross method. Actually, it is the level of 9th chapter. Crisscross method. Okay. So this is our heading. Keep this heading. Writing of chemical formulas, different formulas by using crisscross method. So in last class, I told you know, once again, I want to repeat that. What is crisscross method? Crisscross method means, see, for example, you want barium sulfate formula. You want barium sulfate chemical formula. So so barium means here what? Barium means Ba plus 2. Sulfate means SO4 minus 2. You know these two charges. So these two charges, just you interconnect these two. That means you are getting formula by interconverting the charges. You are getting formula Ba2SO4 taken twice. So here 2, here 2. That's why simply you write BaSO4. What is that? BaSO4. That means what do you mean by crisscross method? Crisscross method means interconversion of charges so that you are getting different numbers. So this is very easy to understand by writing, by doing some exercise. Okay, come on, you write down. Here we will write some important chemical formulas which are often useful to study the chemistry, and also which will come across even in practical chemistry practicals also. So you write down first one, formula of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. So how can you write the sodium carbonate? Write down. Sodium carbonate means what is the charge of sodium? Sodium charge is plus 1 because that is plus 1 cation, monocharged cation. Sodium charge is plus 1. What is the carbonate charge? CO3 minus 2. CO3 minus 2. So you can interchange these charges. That means minus 2 keep at bottom of sodium, plus 1 keep at bottom of CO3. That means you are getting by crisscrossing. This is nothing but what? Crisscrossing. Plus 1 minus 2 right on left, this plus 1 right on right, that bottom. By that we are getting Na2CO3. This is nothing but what? Sodium carbonate formula. Na2CO3 taken twice 1 means CO3. This is sodium carbonate formula. Write down. This is sodium carbonate. Okay, like that I write lithium oxide. What is the formula of lithium oxide? Lithium oxide means, you know, lithium charge is plus 1, Li plus 1, oxide charge is minus 2. Oxide charge is minus 2. Already these charges we wrote in our running notes, no? You have to practice this. So oxygen minus 2, lithium plus 1. Just cross over these charges. You can cross over these charges. By this you are getting Li2O. Li2O. This is formula of lithium oxide. Clear? Is it clear to you? Okay. Then third one. Third one. Okay. See, potassium sulfide. What is the form of potassium sulfide? Potassium means K plus 1. You know this. Sulfide means S minus 2. Just cross over the charges. Just cross over the charges, you are getting K2S. This is sulfide. This is the formula of potassium sulfide. Potassium sulfide. Okay. Then, for example, cesium sulfate. You want cesium sulfate. So cesium means Ce plus 1, sulfate means SO4 minus 2. Then formula should be Ce twice SO4. This is cesium sulfate. Okay, then fifth formula. I am writing here fifth formula. Sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate. So what is the formula of sodium thiosulfate? You know sodium plus 1. Thiosulfate means S2O3 minus 2. S2O3 minus 2. These are the two charges. Just you can reverse these charges. This is called crisscross method. By this you are getting formula like this Na2S2O3. This is sodium thiosulfate. So to do this exercise, you have to read number of times. You have to write number of times cation system and anion system. Understand what I am saying? For example, next, if you want to write sodium chloride. What is the formula of sodium chloride means? Sodium means Na plus 1. You know, chloride means Cl minus. Whenever charges are equal, just simply you write NaCl. That's all. What is the formula of sodium chloride? So whenever charges plus 1 minus 1, those together neutral, you know, that means it becomes NaCl. So Na plus 1, Cl minus 1. Whenever having equal charges, you write directly NaCl. Clear? Then seventh one, potassium iodide. Potassium iodide. So you know potassium means K plus 1, K plus 1. Iodide means I minus 1. Then formula should be Ki. Whenever both charges plus and minus equal, you write as it is. Because K1 I1 that is equal to Ki, no? K1 I1 means Ki. Okay, then next formula, eighth one, magnesium, magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride. So magnesium chloride means how much charge magnesium? It is having plus 2 charge, you know. Magnesium means plus 2. Here, you know, chloride means minus 1. Just whenever you want to write the formula, just you can cross over the charges. By that, you are getting what formula? MgCl2. This is magnesium chloride. Okay. Then beryllium nitride. You know this beryllium beryllium nitride. So actually beryllium stable charge is +2. This is second group, beryllium Be +2, nitride, nitrogen -3. So you want formula, you want to write the beryllium nitride, then formula is Be3N2. Be3N2. Because this 3 put here, 2 put here. That means cross over the charges. That is called crisscross. Clear? So this is beryllium nitride. Okay, then calcium nitrate. We want to write the calcium nitrate formula. Calcium means +2, nitrate means NO3 -1. So formula becomes what happened? Formula is CaNO3 taken twice. Okay, that means this 2 put here, 1 put here. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు బాగా గుర్తుండాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఈ +2 ఛార్జ్ ని ఇటు చేయాలి, -1 ఛార్జ్ ని ఇటు చేయాలి. ఇది క్రిస్క్రాస్ మెథడ్. ముందు మీకు ఫార్ములా కరెక్ట్ గా రాయాలంటే ఏం రావాలి? మీకు చార్జెస్ రావాలి. అంటే +1 +2 +3 హ్యాండ్స్ బాగా చదవాలి, -1 -2 -3 హ్యాండ్స్ బాగా చదవాలి. వాటి స్టేబుల్ చార్జెస్ ఇట్లా ఉన్నాక రివర్స్ చేయాలి. ఈ 2 తీసుకొచ్చి ఈ దీనికి వేయాలి. NO3 టేకెన్ ట్వైస్. 1 వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ CA1 అంటే రాయకపోయినా ఒకటి. ఓకే, నో నీడ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ నెంబర్ 1. ఓకే, okay, then next barium carbonate or barium, you want to write barium chloride. What is the formula of barium chloride? Barium means +2, Ba +2, chloride means -1. Then formula becomes BaCl2, because you can cross over the charges. That is barium chloride. You write name, you write charges, and these charges you can cross over. This is called crisscross method. You this +2 keep here, -1 keep here. Then by this you are getting BaCl2. Okay, understood? Okay, then calcium oxide. What is the formula of calcium oxide? Calcium is +2, you know, Ca +2. Okay, oxide means -2. Both are same, no? Just simply you write CaO. That's all. Whenever charges are same, +2 -2 same, you write directly. Okay, CaO. What is the formula of calcium hydroxide? So calcium hydroxide means Ca +2, hydroxide means OH -1. Then formula becomes what happens? Ca taken twice, OH twice. That is calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, then 14th formula I write here, calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate means Ca +2, CO3 -2. Here +2 -2 both are neutralizing. Then you are getting formula CaCO3. That's all. Calcium carbonate means CaCO3. ఎప్పుడైనా నీకు ఈ చార్జెస్ తెలిసిన అనుకో, +2 -2, ఈ చార్జెస్ తెలిస్తే ఫార్ములా రాయటం ఈజీ. ఓకే, then you want to write barium iodide. So how can you write barium iodide? Barium charge is +2, iodide charge is -1. Just you can cross over this. What is the formula here? BaI2. Barium iodide formula is BaI2. Why here 2 is there means just cross over the charges, you know, this 2 keeping here, -1 right here. Okay, what is the formula of sodium oxide? Sodium oxide means Na plus 1, oxide means minus 2, then formula becomes Na2O. That is sodium oxide. Okay, then sodium nitrite. Here not nitrate, nitrite. So you can checklist while while doing this exercise. You can go back and check your cations and anion list. Thoroughly you have to read. Then you get perfection to write different formulas. So sodium means Na plus 1, nitrite means NO2 minus 1. So then formula becomes NaNO2. NaNO2. Then 18th one. 18th one. Okay. Magnesium bromide. Magnesium, not, of course, you're right, magnesium bromide. So, what is the formula of magnesium bromide? Magnesium means Mg plus 2, boride means bromide. Bromide means minus 1. Bromide means minus 1. Then formula should become what happens? MgBr. This is magnesium bromide. Okay. Then you have to write calcium boride. Calcium boride. So calcium means plus 2. You know this Ca plus 2. Boride means minus 3. Then formula becomes Ca3B2. Why? Because you this 3 keep here, this plus 2 keep here. Plus 2 reverse చేయాలి. 2 ఇక్కడ రాయాలి, 3 ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. Then Ca3B2. Calcium boride. Okay, then formula calcium sulfate. What is the formula of calcium sulfate? Calcium means Ca plus 2, sulfate means SO4 minus 2, then formula becomes CaSO4. That's all. Have you completed this part? I want to remove this. Then Dishena 21. Then you want to write the formula 21 barium cyanide. Barium cyanide. So what is the formula of barium cyanide? Ba plus 2 Cn minus 1. Then formula becomes BaCl taken twice. That is barium cyanide. Then magnesium azide. Magnesium azide. So magnesium means Mg plus 2, azide means N3 minus 1. Then formula becomes MgN taken twice. These are complicated things. You should practice number of times. For your perfection, read and write number of times. చాలా సార్లు చదవాలి. సో మనకి ఏంటంటే ఈ చాప్టర్ అర్థం కావాలంటే క్యాటయాన్ లిస్ట్ అంతకు ముందు చదివిన క్లాసు ప్లస్ అయాన్ లిస్ట్ మైనస్ అయాన్ లిస్ట్ +1 +2 +3 -2 -3 ఆ అయాన్స్ ని తరోగా రీడ్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడే నీకు ఫార్ములాస్ రాయటం వస్తుంది. చార్జెస్ రివర్స్ చేస్తే ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తాయి. ఆ విషయం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. నెక్స్ట్ 23 అల్యూమినియం ఓకే అల్యూమినియం సల్ఫేట్. Aluminum sulfate. Aluminum charge how much? Al plus 3. Sulfate charge SO4 minus 2. Then formula becomes Al2 SO4 taken twice. This is the formula because you can reverse the charges. You can reverse the charges. Okay. So that you are getting formula aluminum sulfate. Okay, then 24th one, calcium phosphide. So what is the formula of calcium phosphide? Ca plus 2, phosphide means minus 3. Then Ca3P2, reverse. So calcium phosphide means Ca3P2. Okay, next calcium phosphate. What is the formula of calcium phosphate? Calcium means Ca plus 2, phosphate means PO4 minus 3. It becomes Ca3PO4 taken twice. This is calcium phosphate formula. Okay, I want to remove this. This is I part.
Don't drop.
ఈ పార్ట్ రాయలేదా? Write down, write down. Okay, completed. See, then next 26. 26, silver chloride. Silver chloride. What is the formula of silver chloride? Ag plus 1, Cl minus 1. Then it becomes AgCl. Silver chloride. Okay, then 27th. Ammonium nitrate. You have to write the formula of ammonium nitrate. How can you write ammonium nitrate? That means before that, you have an idea about charges. What is that ammonium charge? NH4 plus 1. Nitrate charge NO3 minus 1. Then ammonium nitrate means NH4 NO3. That is the formula of ammonium nitrate. Okay. Then ammonium acetate. Ammonium acetate. You know ammonium charge. Just now we wrote no. Ammonium means NH4 plus 1. Acetate means CH3 COO minus 1. Then formula becomes NH4 CH3 COO. That's all. Of course, you write like this. Ammonium acetate means NH4. Ammonium acetate means CH3 CO NH4. You write like this. CH3 COO NH4. Ammonium acetate. Okay, then completed this one. Next, ammonium bromide. 29, ammonium bromide. So ammonium bromide means ammonium means NH4 plus 1. Bromide means Br minus 1. That's then formula should be NH4 Br. That's all. So whenever you have idea about charges, it's very easy to write the formulas. మీకు ఈ అయాన్స్ ఈ +1 -1 +2 -3 చార్జెస్ తెలిస్తే ఫార్ములా రాయడం తేలిక. 30th chemical formula. Like that ammonium carbonate. So ammonium means charge NH4 plus 1. No? Carbonate also CO3 minus 2. Then formula becomes NH4 twice CO3. ఇది ఎందుకు ట్వైస్ CO3 అయింది? ఈ 2 ఇటు వస్తుంది, 1 ఇటు వస్తుంది, అది. Okay, that is ammonium carbonate. Like that, ammonium chloride is very easy, ammonium chloride. So why ammonium chloride is easy? NH4 plus 1, chloride minus 1, then NH4Cl, simple. Then 32. Okay, and also another one, ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. See, ammonium means NH4 plus 1, plus 1. Sulfate means SO4 minus 2. Then formula becomes NH4 twice SO4. Ammonium sulfate means NH4 twice SO4. Okay, have you written this? Okay, next, barium acetate. You can able to write barium acetate. 33, barium acetate. So barium means Ba plus 2, acetate means CH3 COO minus 1. Then formula becomes Ba CH3 COO taken twice. This is barium acetate. Barium acetate. Okay, next, cupric nitrate. So cupric nitrate means, cupric means Cu plus 2, nitrate means NO3 minus 1. Then formula becomes Cu NO3 taken twice. That is cupric nitrate. Then 35th, cupric sulfate. So cupric sulfate or copper sulfate means Cu plus 2 SO Cu. Okay, 35 formulas. So far we are writing 35 formulas. Okay, then 36. Have you completed this part? Then 36. 36, ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate. So ferrous means Fe plus 2. Sulfate means SO4 minus 2. Then formula becomes FeSO4. So simple. Whenever charges are equal, you write directly. ఎప్పుడైనా plus 2 minus 2 ఉంటే న్యూట్రల్ అవుతుంది, కలిపి రాయండి FeSO4. Then 37, ferric chloride. Ferric chloride means, ferric ion means Fe plus 3 Cl minus 1. Then formula is FeCl3. This is Cl minus 1. Ferric chloride means FeCl3. Then 38, lead nitrate. Lead nitrate means Pb plus 2, nitrate means NO3 minus 1. Then formula becomes PbNO3 taken twice. This is lead nitrate. Okay, lead sulfate. Lead sulfate means Pb plus 2, sulfate means SO4 minus 2, Then formula becomes PbSO4. Formula is PbSO4. Then 41, lead chloride. Lead chloride. Lead chloride means C. Lead means Pb plus T, you know. Just now I said chloride means -1. Then formula is PbCl2. PbCl2. Okay, then 41, manganese chloride. Manganese chloride means Mn plus 2. Then formula becomes MnCl2. That is manganese chloride. Okay. Then nickel, nickel, NiCk, nickel sulfate, nickel sulfate. Nickel sulfate means Ni plus 2, SO4 minus 2. Then formula should be NiSO4. That's all. Nickel sulfate. Nickel chloride. Nickel chloride means Ni plus 2, chloride means -1. Then formula becomes NiCl2. That is nickel chloride. You completed this? Have you completed this? After 43, 44, 40, zinc chloride. Zinc chloride. Zinc means Zn plus chloride means -1. Then formula becomes ZnCl2. Then 45, zinc carbonate. Zinc carbonate. Zinc means Zn plus 2. You know carbonate charge minus CO3 minus 2. Then formula is ZnCO3. Zinc carbonate. Zinc iodide. Zinc iodide. Zinc iodide means Zn plus 2. Zn plus 2, I minus 1. Then formula is ZnI2. Zinc iodide. Completed this one? Then 47, chromium oxide. Chromium oxide. How you write chromium oxide? Cr plus 3. Oxide means -2. It becomes Cr2O3. This is
Excuse me,
chromium
sir.
oxide. Tell me.
Sorry for the disturbance. My book has completed. So
Then,
stop here. I am right and take new book. 5 minutes.
okay, we have only left out 3 compounds, 3 formulas. Just
Okay.
you can.
High place. Continue. Okay.
Then 48. The next one, cadmium, cadmium chloride. So cadmium means Cd plus 2, chloride means -1. Then formula becomes CdCl. Okay, then 49, sodium metaphosphate. Sodium metaphosphate. So sodium metaphosphate means Na plus 1. Metaphosphate means PO3 minus 1. So formula is NaPO3. Then 51. Barium chloride. Barium chloride salt. Ba plus 2. Chloride means ClO3 minus 1. Then formula becomes BaClO3 taken twice. Okay. So this is the way to write the different chemical formulas by using crisscross method when you have clear idea about stable list of cations and anions. So ఇక్కడ నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నా అంటే లాస్ట్ 2 క్లాసెస్ లో జరిగినటువంటి క్యాటయాన్ లిస్టు యానయాన్ లిస్టు వాటి చార్జెస్ నీకు పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా తెలిస్తే క్రిస్ క్రాస్ మెథడ్ ద్వారా చార్జ్ని రివర్స్ చేస్తే మనకు ఏమైతే అంటే డిఫరెంట్ కెమికల్ ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తాయి. ఇట్లా కెమికల్ ఫార్ములాస్ రాయటం అనేటటువంటి మెథడ్ మీకు తెలిస్తే తర్వాత చదివేటటువంటి కెమిస్ట్రీ తేలికగా అవుతుంది. ఈ నాలెడ్జ్ లేకుండా కెమికల్ ఫార్ములాస్ రాయటం రాకుండా ఉంటే ప్రాథమికంగానే నీకు కెమిస్ట్రీ అనేది చాలా కష్టంగా అవుతుంది, అర్థం కాకుండా ఉంటుంది. సో ఉన్న ఫలంగా ఏం చేయాలంటే ఏదైతే లాస్ట్ 2 క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయో క్యాటయాన్ లిస్ట్ ఏదైతుందో యానయాన్ లిస్ట్ ఏదైతుందో వాటి యొక్క స్టేబుల్ చార్జెస్ గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని బైహాడ్ చేసి వాటి చార్జెస్ ని క్రిస్ క్రాస్ మెథడ్ లో రివర్స్ చేస్తే మనకు డిఫరెంట్ కెమికల్ ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తాయి. టిల్ ది ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్లాస్ సో ఫార్ వీ హ్యావ్ రిటర్న్ 50 ఫార్ములాస్ ను 50 రకాల ఫార్ములాస్ రాసినాం. ఇంకా ఏ ఫార్ములా అయినా మీకు చాలా తేలికగా అర్థమవుతుంది. అటు విషయం గుర్తుంచుకొని బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. With this, I stop here. I stop this class. The remaining part will continue in the next class. Okay.